But Aussie's actually a welder by trade. I am so feeling myself right now. Oh no, someone's hurt. Meet my little baby nephew, Laura has shouted her father here for Father's Day. Also, you guys might not know that Aussie was in the 1B. Give me my money. Yeah.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Hey guys, I want to show you something. Some of you guys know, I think we've mentioned it before on our channel, but Aussie's actually a welder by trade. He went to school for it. So a couple of weeks ago we bought, don't mind this junk, we're just waiting for a free weekend so that we can tidy all this up. But a couple weekends ago, Aussie bought this and we're finally opening it up. I'm trying to get his skill back because he's probably forgotten a lot. Right, babe?
Never forgot.
Yeah, so his first task is to fix this. He fixed it before, but he used my dad's welding machine. So this has come undone. I mean, we could probably just throw this out and buy a new one. But why, when we can just reuse it? We're on our way to go get some coil. I don't know what it's called. It's like aluminium, maybe. It's called Weller. Oh, it's called welding wire. Yeah, welding wire. So we're about to go get some welding wire. Oh, it's called,
Bruh.
I think it's called solder. So Laura's actually meant to be driving us using this, but she's a bit scared because it's peak hour traffic. That's the best time to learn, is when it's busy. I know it doesn't feel like it, and honestly I've had my fair shares of crying when I had to drive. I was forced to drive in peak hour, and I actually had an accident in peak hour traffic, and guess what? I haven't had an accident since. So you tell me, did I learn my lesson or not? Basically what I'm saying is you have to have an accident to learn your lesson. Guys, so sorry if we forgot to take you inside, but we got a welding helmet, just testing it out. We got a basic one for the first time, and as Aussie goes on he can probably get the more expensive ones. That's the one that we got, which is totally different to what I thought we were supposed to get. Water electrodes.
On the road.
Yeah, electrode.
Why are you guys trying to make it hard for?
Can you build us a house with your welding machine?
Yeah, I'll build everything. You guys, I'll show you guys when everything's done.
Hey guys, I am here. I came to get a blood test. As you know, your girl is low iron, so this is the life of an anemic. And now I'm heading to Zaya's game, but I am so feeling myself right now. Of course I would say something like that, but I'm wearing this bracelet. It's actually Aussie's. I got for him for his 30th or something, 29th, and it was lost somewhere around in bags, but I found it and now I'm gonna wear it. Oh, let Eagles have a little ball time. Oh no, someone's hurt. Someone's crying.
Go down. Put a massive shot on him. He didn't want to run. And then, did you see the big African kid try to tackle me?
No.
Oh, well, he tried to tackle me and I bumped him off and he never wanted to tackle me again. Auntie.
Okay.
Are they sleeping over?
No.
Okay, they're good.
We just finished. Yeah. We just finished Zaya's game and he played so well. I'm so super proud of him.
One of his cells on Fortnite. It's got to the point where I have to play trios with Anthony to carry him because he sells too much. Oh, those guys are Tongan.
Anthony's pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, can that car see I'm coming out? Big jerk. Oh! Guys! It's okay. Meet my little baby nephew, Vika. His name's actually TJ, which is Vita Jr., but his nickname is Vika. He looks like a baby doll.
Baby's so cute.
He's so cute. Stop it. Yeah, good boy.
No, mine.
Sorry? Decaf ice latte? Decaf ice latte. That's what I ordered, guys. My baby
Oh, it's too cold, man.
Heading out to the mall now. Got the kids at the back.
I got a finger.
Hey Toddy.
Hey, what's up?
We're gonna head out to the mall, get a few things, and then maybe head out to Costco because there's only one thing that I want from there. It's a TV set, so.
Where?
What? Of course. I don't want to die. It's young if you see this one. You pretty much just asked her like question like this. If you need to go to the toilet and you did a poo, would you wipe your ass? Yeah, of course you would.
Some people don't.
Elsie's gone with Mona to get his bubble tea.
Comment down below if I'm famous, and if I am, comment. If I'm not, don't.
Tell us what your bubble tea order was.
It was a lychee with the passion fruit popping pearls.
No, Zaya, stop. Let Mona say it.
Lychee with passion fruit. Oh, it's white.
You looking like the shit. Looking like I don't want to come next to me.
So the Mona and the Mazia.
Mazia.
This is so Lamona.
So long. What the Sigma?
Wait, in Japanese, my Japanese teacher didn't know what Sigma and Skibbity meant. So she went, when I say Sigma, you put your hands on your head, and then when I say Skibbity, you put your hands on your bottom. And she's like, Sigma, Skibbity, Skibbity, Sigma. I'm like,
Boring.
These two at the back are just so Ohio. They were born in Ohio.
Skibbity Ohio Rizzler.
Yeah, so they're Skibbity Ohio
Oh, and
Rizzlers.
Mona said Laura.
Oh, you called Laura.
On a comment.
No, in the video, he's like,
video.
oh, do you know Laura? So now everyone knows about it. And she's
So
like,
it doesn't matter. He corrected himself.
Aussie came along and started slapping Auntie Vicky's bum. And then Auntie Vicky tried to kick Uncle. and then Mona slapped Aussie's bum, and then Aussie slapped Mona's bum, and then Mona slapped Aussie's bum.
So basically it was a whole big Skibbity Ohio slapping bum fest.
Yeah. I think I slapped Uncle Aussie's balls.
Oh! Okay, Mona, stop being silly now. Don't be no time unless you're by my side. I gotta have you around, right here by my side. With my moonshine.
It's too by my side.
I'm almost getting blown away with this wind.
It's rotten lettuce. Oh.
Run the ball like me.
That's not fair. That's not fair. No, I'm not playing anymore. I give up. I give up. They already made a plan. Okay.
Yeah, you say start.
Just give me my money.
Yeah.
Come here, Mona.
What is it? Huh?
Go.
Just give me my money.
Just give me my money.
Yeah. Just give me my money.
Yeah.
Give me my money.
Wait, I'll go first. Give me my money.
Give me my money.
Money, your turn. Master Pretzels.
So at work we have this snack table, and I was one who started it because I love my snacks. But I would come to Costco and buy like a bunch of snacks and stuff to share with the team. And I did it more for like, you know, a little team. And one of the ladies brought this from Costco. And oh my gosh, I am obsessed. Take a smell of that. Take a big woof of that. It's a pretzel with peanut butter filled in it.
Oh, I like it.
If Aussie likes it, then I might like it.
Taste, guys.
Wow.
Taste test.
There's butter in the middle.
Ew!
Oh, come on.
That's kind of good.
I love it. I knew Aussie would like it.
I like it.
I know you do. It's like a really big thing in America because Americans love peanut butter. Peanut butter is so big in America. Mona, what did you just ask? That was pretty funny. He goes, do you do your nails every 21 days? Where did you get 21 from?
She said, she does her nails every 3 weeks.
Oh, that's pretty clever of you to call out the days.
I'm not capping, you know? I'm just telling the truth. My first time I got in Samoa, boxing. I was a boxer before. Represent Samoa in American Samoa. My second time, when we go to Don Bosco School, long boat racing, chill about.
Yeah. Also, you guys might not know that Aussie was in the 1B thingy, longboat canoe racing that happens in Samoa. And Sita Martel, she was the instructor. And they won. It was her first. Was it her first?
No.
Oh. Well, she won.
Well, we won the 50th independence of Samoa.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that bird's glitching.
When you guys go to the museum in Samoa, you guys see the photos of us and Navy. I was a challenging person.
Oh!
I box, I play, I where the game.
I bought this at Kmart because I haven't played Monopoly since like primary school probably, and I have no idea how to play. This is Lord's first time, I'm pretty sure. So we've got the instructions manual close by. I'm excited.
She bought it, so she has to pay her money to the bank here.
Who's the bank?
This.
Okay, so that goes back to
Yeah, that goes to the bank, and then you give her used to know.
Yeah, I did. So what happens now?
She gets it.
I need some money. I need some properties.
Guys, this is actually awesome.
Is it actually awesome?
Yeah, because I'm watching you struggle.
Oh wow.
These two struggle to play Monopoly.
So when does the bank ask for its money?
Oh, if you
Card must be turned this side up if property is mortgaged. 10.
10 again.
Hey, bank! 8, 9, 10. I got a chance!
Chance, you pick that up.
Advance to Mayfair.
Mayfair is there. That's $400 if you want to buy it.
I want it.
Alright.
I gotta stack up on these properties.
That's the most expensive.
But it's not real
Like that
life.
one's good. Mayfair's good because it's the most expensive. That's the rent. $50.
Why are you laughing?
11.
What do I do with this?
11?
Huh? I'll put it back under.
Oh.
Chance.
Oh.
Take a trip to King's Cross Station. If you pass, go collect 200. Or gets 200.
Oh, that is so freaking rude.
No, because she passed go. She
Oh, yeah,
passed
whatever.
this.
I'm a bitch.
Do you want to buy it?
I'm not, of course. Because
if you-
money.
Yeah, but aren't you supposed to put these on so I know she owns it?
No.
Okay. Yeah, it's so much fun.
Where's my car?
I gave you 350. You have to give.
Morning, guys. Good morning, Hawaii. I don't know. I think that's on one of those songs. But it is Father's Day today. So Father's Day is on Sunday. So happy Father's Day on your Sundays. Bear's like, what the heck is up with my mama? These two ball bags. You guys enjoy your sleepover? Because guess what? Y'all's going home to mother freaking day. Woo! Woo! Doing a Father's Day brekkie for father sleeping in the room. Oh, oopsies. Kind of burnt. Father can have these ones then. Do not judge me, okay? I've got a camera in my hand. Gonna cut up some fruit because the kids love fruit too. The brownies are a bit of an exception, but happy Father's Day. Amen.
Amen. Why did you die? I died from $4. Why? Because I wanted to. Because you wanted to eat? Yeah.
If you want brownie, you have to halve it, okay? I don't want anyone having a full brownie.
Why?
Because it's too early in the morning for these kind of sweets. On our way to church, we've had a nice, lovely breakfast. Got the minions at the back. You guys watched Despicable Me 4 last night.
Yep.
Switched to my phone because my camera died.
I did it.
Yeah. But Laura's driving us to church. Actually, we're heading to the markets first, so I'm trying to go to the markets first very quickly to see if I can get a snake plant.
What's that? Where's the snake plant?
I don't see a snake plant, but I like this one.
Can I? What's that? That's a cactus.
How much this one?
Yeah? $10.
10?
Yeah?
What's the plant?
I don't know what I don't know what for.
Oh, Laura has shouted her father here. She wanted to take her father, aka uncle, for Father's Day lunch. So,
Thank you for Father's Day gift. And Father's Day food.
yeah. 3 cheers for father. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Wish me a
Hip
luck.
hip. Wish you luck for what?
Wish me a luck next time, alright?
I wish I could ask you luck for work.
For what?
For work.
Mate, the food's got to come out and you are going to be full of Sprite. Ew, why is your face like that right now?
Wait, how is your father doing? Get your father right now.